Okay. All right. Let's see. So I just had a little moment where Miss Roma corrected Bella. Now, dog correction, ultimately I tell owners that a dog correction is communication. One dog is telling another dog, whatever you're doing, I don't like. In Roma's case, while the correction was communicating to Bella that she didn't like what Bella was doing, on the other side of the coin, Bella was trying to play pretty much the same way that Betsy and Roma were playing. So Roma's expectation level there was maybe a little off. But at the same time, Roma's just not comfortable enough with Bella yet to wrestle with her like that. So she was letting her know. And I've talked about giving overcorrections before, and while that was not a horrible overcorrection, and while Bella was backing off, it was an overcorrection that Roma was. Once Roma gave a correction and Bella backed off, that should have been enough. Then she should have left it, but she continued to move towards Bella and correct, and there wasn't a whole lot of contact, but the correction continued, and Bella continued to back off. So I had to kind of yell at Roma to chill out. And I haven't looked at the video yet, so I'm not sure how much I got on video since Kira was in my arms, and I was going to have to put her down if I had to separate the two guys. It's definitely what I would qualify as a spat. Sometimes I'll use, try to use very specific or different descriptive words for situations that will happen in a doggy social environment. And I like to use the word spat for a minor, a little minor incident. A lot of people will say fight, and that can be misconstrued. Now, if it is a fight, then I will say it was a fight. But everybody was fine. Roma did not make very much contact, and Bella was backing off. Now, of course, you have to be ready. That's why I probably didn't get it on video, because I was putting Kira down to run and jump in if I needed to, because if Bella would have then got mad at the correction and fought back, or if Roma would have overcorrected to the point where she was being, too aggressive, then I would have had to jump in and separate the two dogs, and probably even, separate them for a period of time today, or depending on, how much I felt like one or the other was going to kind of stay upset. You may want to separate the two dogs for the entire day. You just kind of have to use your gut and your judgment in each situation. Because I was able to verbally get the two of them to separate and chill out, then I'm letting them kind of calm down. And see, there's Roma is instigating play with Betsy again. She wants to play. And what I might do, for Roma's sake, because she's a lot more comfortable with Quinlan and Betsy Beagle, I may put Bella away for a little while so that Roma can have an opportunity to have a little bit of uninhibited play. And hopefully, Roma is just one of those kind of dogs that takes her a while to get used to other dogs. And she's even her parents and I have talked. She can be very specific and choosy about who she's willing to play with. Yes, a kennel. So I'm going to stop the video here. I've been talking for a long time, and I think I'm going to put Bella away for a little bit to give Roma a chance to play. All right.